Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So guys, viewer discretion advised. Let's start with that. Viewer discretion advised. If you're watching this with your kids, don't. I'm at an all adult inclusive resort, and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna film this weekend. I don't know what I'm gonna record or what I'm gonna show. I don't know what this video is gonna look like, but it's not gonna be for kids, so don't watch it with your kids. But yes guys, we have landed in Cancun, Mexico. We are in our room, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. But we also upgraded our room, so you're probably gonna see another room tour tomorrow when we get to our new room. All right guys, so here is the room. Let's look like this whole thing looked like a wall, and it's the closets. Okay. Ooh, look at the robes. All right, we're not gonna put those robes on. Maybe not. Cause we're not gonna be here that long. Look, they got another one of these. So like room service, when they bring your food, they put it in there, and then you put the dirty dishes in there. What is this? Oh, more closet space, drawers, the safe. That's shit's job. I don't know how to work these safes. Let's go back. Like I said, that was the door. Let's look at this first. It's the sink. What is all this stuff? Cute. Is that an incense? Real cute. Here's the main. All right, let's it's supposed to be the bath tub. Yeah. Wait, what's this right here? Hold on. Oh, another phone in the bathroom. Like, how you do this? Like what? So what's this one? Okay, whatever. All right, so that's that, and then this is the shower. It's kind of crazy, the lighting. Oh, you gotta come in this way. Let's go in the shower. Okay. A little nook there, but like the water comes from down there, and I can like see myself, and then like the bed is right there. So yeah, let's go out, go around the shower, and then the lights behind the bed. I think they changed colors. I don't know how to make it change colors, but I seen it on TikTok. They can change colors. No, all the rooms have it. The technology in this hotel is interesting. Oh, you changed it. Make it, yeah, see, pink. Leave it pink. A nice little lounge area. This is another little lounge area. Boom, boom, boom. What is this? This is cute, these glasses. Here's the refrigerator. Let's look in there. Oh. It's not, it's it's juice. Some beer. Look at that. Look like this mini Nespresso. What's in here? Oh, okay. I might have to use that. There we go. Okay. Then this really big mirror. I'm ready to act up. But yeah. I don't know what we're about to do, but yeah. If you want to see what else we get into in this vlog, continue watching. No, let's give, I never showed outside. Let's show outside. Oh, whew. Yeah, for it to be partial view, it's oceanfront. This is nice. Real nice. Y'all, my camera, it's what you call it, it keeps fogging up. It's so annoying. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any footage outside at all. Their room not ready, so we came to meet up with them. No, the camera is fogging up. I'm ready to go back to the room and drop it off. Okay. Okay. Our room like right here, because we can see all of this. Where the tacos? This bar? Alright guys, we're in bathing suit number 1. I don't know why I would eat 20 tacos before I put on the bathing suit. I look with child. What? I look with child. If they see me drinking, I'm not pregnant, even though, you know, it looks like it. I just had like 7 tacos, y'all. Like,
That sounds crazy.
no, but that's how many tacos. It was like 1, and then let me try these 2, and let me try these 2, and let me try these 2. They were like little street tacos because they were small, but still. I don't feel absolutely stuffed, but I feel it. So, oh wait, I just put this earring on. I'm about to take it off, and then we about to go swimming, and I'm about to get in the pool. So all this jewelry is coming off. Like, I'm not going down there to be cute. I'm going down there to swim laps and take shots. I am about to swim. No, I'm not even gonna say you're not about to swim because you be swimming. But yeah, I'm about to go down there. I want to wipe all this makeup off too, because, well, just eyeliner just really look crazy. Should probably have more sunscreen. Alright guys, I look really red. I feel like my skin did not do good in the sun. Like, I need to put on like more sunscreen or something, like, I don't know, but this view is everything. We're at like the rooftop bar, one of them, I think, and we're looking for food. Well, we found the food. Just waiting for it to be done. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Been in the pool most of the time. We got like some stuff figured out and planned, like spa day. I think we're doing dinner by the beach. What else? Oh, like Taboo. And like we want to do jet skis and all of that too. So I feel like this is not that vacation where we relax. We're turned up the whole time. And I lost my sunglasses. I think I left them downstairs on the table or the chair, like the beach chair. And I didn't feel like walking all the way back to get them. So I brought another pair, but they was cheap. So it wasn't like, it's $5. Whatever. Keep working hard. Finally, we're eating something. I feel like it's 6 o'clock now and the real restaurants are open. Alright guys, it is much later. I feel like I haven't even been recording, but yeah. We took a senior citizen nap, so we up. It's 9:06 or 9:01. I don't know, this mirror might be wrong. But yeah, we're about to go downstairs and find some food. Yes. Is that a doorbell? Oh my god. Who is it? Oh. Hi. No, we don't need room. No, we're good. No? Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
It's like 9 o'clock. It's kind of late for housekeeping, but I feel like the lighting is bad over here. But this is the outfit. The little shorts. But yeah. Alright. Here's his outfit. Do a spin, do a spin. Oh, the elevator is really, really cute. Oh shoot. 7 to 11. So we didn't miss the flower party. Okay. There's the big guy. Alright.
Getting much in the pot.
I can't.
Thank you, sir.
Shots for everybody. Yes. And we got
Like a pizza line? Yeah.
that's the good Don.
117. This is double for the pay.
No, you were supposed to take that. You lied. Double for the birthday boy. Shot, cheers, guys, to Christian. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I like my job.
That's the good one.
That was good.
Now who's that for? That's for you?
Tastes like water, you know?
When we do that? We did that in PR. We did it in PR. Yeah, water.
All right, y'all. I have not showed y'all the new room, but yeah, this one has a TV and a screen. Haven't figured out how to use it yet, but yeah. Same thing with the toilet, the shower, boom, 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 closet, all of that stuff. Yeah, the bed, I already told y'all can change the lights. This one has a whole little sofa area, bigger table. We have this whole setup again. This suite comes with M&Ms, okay? And Pringles. Same thing in the mini bar, but out here, look at this view, guys. It comes with the tub and, hold on, the, what you call this? Bigger chair than what was out there, and this view is just everything. Everything. Oh my goodness. Look at it. As far as you could go. This is the upgrade that we came here yesterday and we upgraded and it just was ready today. That's that's the downstairs pool. Then there's another rooftop pool like around there, and we were just at the exclusive rooftop pool. It's a lot of locals on the beach already. So like all right there, like just like local people that come to the beach like they regularly would. Yeah. Yep. That is the room.